Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So one item that I keep forgetting to do a video on is the Acebeam Pokelit, whatever you want to call it, AA. And for the price, it is a solid flashlight. I purchased this for $16.95, which it is currently sitting on Amazon for the green one. It does go up to $19.99, but it seems like it goes on sale at least once a month, so you should check it out. Like I said, it's a solid flashlight. The best thing about this flashlight is it can take a AA, or it comes with a rechargeable 920 milliamp battery Type C, 3.7 volt. So it's multifunctional for the battery wise. It comes with extra gaskets. It comes with a lanyard. It is IP68 waterproof rated. It's 90 plus CRI, 1849 candela. Has a 86 meter throw at 550 lumens. Just a solid flashlight. It has mode memory. It has 3 modes. The high mode is 550, then it steps down after 35 seconds to 330 lumens, and it'll run for 61 minutes at that rate. Mid lumens is 190, and it'll run for 2 hours. And on low, which is 5 lumens, it'll run for 58 hours. Also, it has the double-sided belt clip. You can clip it to your hat or to your belt. But, I mean, it's just crazy for the price. So, again, if you're on a budget and you're looking for a really great flashlight, keep an eye out for this. $16.95 for green, on sale. It seems like every month. So, as always, I appreciate everybody watching. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you next time.